Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So it's AMC over. Is it done? I know a lot of people is, getting skeptical right now. It's a lot of trolls out there. Every time AMC down bad in the red, we got people saying it's over, it's dead. I told y'all so. Got people making videos saying it's over. So let me go ahead and share my opinion with you guys on if I believe it's over or not. Go over a few facts and just share my opinion and put it out there. So for starters, guys, no, I do not believe AMC is over. And what I mean by over, my definition of over, I mean people believe it's going to stay at this level, come down even lower, and never go back higher. And I personally do believe we can run back up again, guys. So let's go ahead and make that clear. So let's go ahead and take a look at it on a few reasons on why we think this thing still has steam or whatnot. So we know from starters that the overall market, not just AMC, the overall market is being heavily manipulated right now. If you've been following my channel, before we get more into details on AMC for the new ones, I just want to let you know, if you've been following the channel or if you didn't, if you knew, long story short, not just AMC is being manipulated and attacked. The whole entire market is being attacked, guys. We know the market is rigged. We know it's all, a setup. Set up for retail investors, the poor people to get poorer, and for the rich to get rich. They prey on you. They prey on the poor people. They want you to sell while it's looking bad. They put articles out. They put this out. They tell you this about to happen. They tell you the economy is looking messed up. They tell you the war is about to happen. They tell you all this stuff to get you real scared to where you pull your money out and then just have it parked in the bank, or it's losing more money then it will be losing sitting in the market, because the market ain't gonna be down forever. If you down, if you down in the negatives, that don't mean you lost that money. You're going to get that money back. That money going to come right back if you didn't sell. But if you sell, close out that position and realize those losses, then you lost. You actually lost money. So let's make that clear as well, guys. So we know the overall market is manipulated, and it's not just AMC. And the reasoning being is the fact that so many retail investors rushed into the market, which they want new retail investors to come. They want you to come. They welcome you with open arms, but they didn't want you to come 100x, 1000x faster than what we needed you to come, if that makes sense. Meaning, once the GameStop frenzy went off, so many retail investors, millions and millions of people rushed into the stock market, causing volatility, causing circuit breakers and halts and all this stuff happening with these sectors, even to take out the buy button. That happened from, their standpoint. They did that just so, GameStop wanting to be in the, went to thousands of dollars a share, because that's exactly what it would have happened if they wouldn't have did that. Same thing with AMC. You guys peaked the momentum. A lot of people didn't think we would ever get back to the 30s. We did it in a short period of time. It took them 8 months to hammer us down and get us to the levels they got us to, and it took us only 14 days to recover half of the price that half of the all-time high price, which they say is $72. So 33, 34 times 2, that's 68. That's right near 70. That's almost half of the all-time high price, which I've been watching AMC like a hawk. And the real all-time high price is $77, which it hit in the pre-market. So anyways, guys, just to see us get back to that point so fast, and it just all happening so fast. We got back there that fast, and then we came down just as fast. So that was just a preview of what's to come, guys, because like I tell you, nothing don't go straight up and it don't go straight down. And the market, they manipulating the whole market right now, and I'm just going to hold through it all, because I know it ain't going down to $0.0. I know the economy isn't about to go bankrupt, the whole economy. That means, it's no more world, and that just don't make sense at all. So their strategy is to just manipulate and prey on the retail investors with less education that don't know much. So anyways, guys, and factor number 2 about how AMC is not over, in my opinion, guys, is because short interest data give us an upper hand and let us know whenever shorts have begun to cover. Short interest been sitting at 20% for the longest. It's been sitting at 20% for the past 8-9 months, guys. So that's letting us know that it's still the same. And short interest data is just letting us know a percentage of the shares that's out on loan. So it's a lot. That's a big amount. That's a lot of shares. Approximately, that's over 100 million shares out on loan that's not being covered or closed just yet, guys. So that right there is a major factor. We know shorts haven't covered, guys. They haven't covered yet. And once they do begin to cover, they will help put buying pressure on the long side and help the price spike. Whenever that's the second indication. Whenever we see a spike in price or bullish from the price action, bullish momentum, a lot of momentum going to the upside, that's at a quick period of time, at a quick rate. That's another indication that shorts have begun to cover. We have seen that whenever we broke resistance at 23 and shot to the 30s, but that's not necessarily meaning that the shorts covered either. We have to see even bigger spike than that, in my opinion, guys, because even when that happened, the short interest still stayed the same. It didn't change. And the next thing would be this right here, guys. As people is getting scared and nervous and selling out of their position, retail investors, because majority still is here. A lot of people still is here, but a lot still has sold off too. And as they selling off, institutions is just behind closed doors racking up and acquiring those shares, guys. Because from Adam Aaron's standpoint, we went from owning 70% of the float to owning 90%, which I tell you guys, these numbers just don't add up. We got institution owning 33.9% of AMC, 33%. So if we take a look at this though, why is y'all owning so much of our stock and y'all claim that it ain't worth nothing? That's why I tell you, they pockets be doing something way different from what they pockets be doing something way different from what their mouth is talking, what they is preaching. So on the forecast, if we look at the forecast, just look at the stock forecast. We know this don't have nothing to do with the squeeze play, because AMC is not fundamentally the reason why we are here. But we just want to look at it just to see what they say. What y'all here for? Y'all must be here for the squeeze too, or know something that we don't know. So anyways, on the forecast, we got a high for AMC of $16. That's the highest they think AMC is worth. For the median, we have $6. For the low, we have $1. $1 a share now. And right here, for institutional ownership, we got 33.9% institutions on AMC. Increased positions is 20 million shares. Decreased positions, 5.5 million. Held positions, 149 million. Total, 175 million. So out of 175 million shares, they decreased their position by 5 million, which is a grain of rice. And they holding. So they ain't scared not one bit, right? But they forecast say AMC ain't worth the damn. So why is they so interested in this play? They trying to switch it because they see that retail investors, we put AMC and the company on a whole nother level. We 10x, 15x they money. Now they able to invest in things that they don't even have too much insight on, but they see opportunity in it, make even more capital. They put them 15x from what they previously was. They see that AMC now have the advantage to turn their whole business model around. So now they trying to play on the other end of the stick. They already shorted it down. Now they trying to ride it back up as well, but trying to scare you away from it so they can acquire the float and manipulate it even more. And I don't know why would they want to do that, because y'all already have y'all been manipulating the hell out of it for the longest. But anyways, it's just not adding up, guys. New positions, 3.6 million. New shares sold out, 1.5 million. So we obviously see what they're doing, guys. You see, the proof is in the pudding. So from my perspective, guys, I don't believe it's over. I believe something is still brewing, and that's not to get nobody hopes or hopes too out of the building or anything like that, because like I told you guys from day one, in a play like this, do not get over your head. Ain't nothing guaranteed. You only want to put in a play like this what you're willing to lose. Because if you think about it, why would you put that much trust into other people? Because this is a team effort thing that we built here. This is something we came together collectively said we're going to buy and hold and do this as a movement. Nobody didn't care what the outcome was. From day one, we was like, we're going to put this money on AMC. We don't care what the outcome is. This is what we doing. But now things got more intense. People put more money than they should have, believed a little too much, and now things is backfiring. You don't feel as good about the play and stuff. Just make it make sense, guys. And when AMC was going crazy just a few days ago, weeks ago, went to 31, 32, 33, everybody hyped up, ready to buy more at those prices. But now you're getting it for half that price, and people is scared. See, make it make sense, guys. That's why I always say, don't put nothing in certain plays that you can't afford to lose. And that don't go for every play in the stock market. Some plays, you gonna put everything. You can put everything on it because everything's lining up. That company been around for decades. If you look at the 20-year chart, that chart is continue to make higher lows over a 20-year period and steady growing every single year. Certain things, I ain't getting to all the characteristics, but certain things, the characteristics just all the way there. And fundamentally, that's a great investment to where you can go heavy on the investment. That's not for everything, but just for a situation like this, I hope it be a learning experience, because you can't say I didn't tell you so, and not talking as if it's over or anything, because like I said, it's not, but just want to put it out there so you can be educated just in case we come about another situation like this. And like I told you guys, from my standpoint, from my knowledge and my experience of the market from day one, I said I wouldn't be touching nothing like AMC, but only putting in something for the movement. I'm with it. I'm with it to go against these guys that's been, doing what they doing for this long period of time, and for us to actually have a tug of war going on. Because us coming to collectively like we did, we able to actually have a tug of war going on until they, want to basically, make their own rules and manipulate the stock even further. So you already know, guys, that's all I got for this video. Just want to share my opinion with you guys, let you guys know I don't think it's over, and I do believe AMC could run up again, guys. So you already know what to do. Add me over there on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. We gone.